Hi everyone, my name is Shawn Hainsworth. Welcome to my course, Scalable Machine Learning with the Microsoft Machine Learning Server. I am a Microsoft Certified Solution Associate in Machine Learning. I work in business intelligence and data analytics solutions for the legal industry, and I blog as the Legal BI Guy. In this course, we are going to break the memory barrier and perform machine learning on big data. The major topics that we will cover include scaling data processing and visualization, distributing machine learning across processors and partitions, building machine learning pipelines with SQL Server, and building machine learning pipelines with Hadoop and Spark. We will work through detailed code examples in both R and Python. We will spin up a Hadoop and Spark cluster using HD Insight on Microsoft Azure and integrate with popular frameworks like PySpark, Spark-R, and Sparklier. By the end of this course, you'll know how to write highly scalable, distributed machine learning algorithms that run in a variety of compute contexts. We will develop in RStudio, Visual Studio Code, and Jupyter Notebooks. In addition, I will show you how to get started with your own Spark development cluster. Before beginning the course, you should have some experience programming in either R or Python, and it will be helpful, although not necessary, to have some familiarity with SQL Server, Hadoop, and Spark. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn machine learning techniques for big data with the Scalable Machine Learning with the Microsoft Machine Learning Server course at Pluralsight.